What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy CEEFAM. We back at it with another slight video, man. Look, today's video, y'all, we're gonna be putting on our Wicker build on a 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat, man. Look, I always ask y'all every video, hey, what mod should we do, man? Right? What y'all want to see on a cat? What y'all don't want to see on a cat? Right? Some people said lowering springs. Some people said shit Wicker build next. Some people said X, Y, and Z. So look, man. If y'all give me feedback, bro, as to what y'all want to see on the channel, y'all gonna get that every single time, man. So look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Shit, I appreciate all y'all, man, for everything y'all do, all y'all support, all the love, all the feedback, and everything, man. Hey, let's get to it, bro. All right, y'all. Look, so first things first, man. Gotta get the car and put it in the driveway, bro. Gotta put the car in the driveway, y'all. So sheesh, look at this thing, bro. This thing look good, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This boy look good. I mean, it's dusty. It might look dusty to y'all. Well, it might look clean to y'all, but yeah, I know it's dusty. But yeah, man, let's give y'all a little walk around right quick. You know what I mean? I still never, man, if y'all watched the last video, y'all know exactly where these rocks came from. Man, this boy look good, boy. I'm in love with this green. Still in love with this green. But hey, look, I don't think I ever gave y'all boys a cold start ever on the channel. It's crazy, right? So yeah, I haven't started the car in about 2-3 days. Let me know, man. Comment down below, y'all, if y'all already, well, if y'all think this car already got a mid-muffler delete, because I'm not sure what the last owner did, but it sounds loud already. I don't know. But yeah, comment down below, man. Let me know if this right here sound like a mid-muffler delete to y'all or not, bro. Because yeah, I want to take this thing to go get it louder and all that, but I'm not sure. So yeah, let me know what y'all think, if it's loud enough, if we already got a mid-muffler delete or not. So let's get to it. This boy loud, swear to God. Hey, does that sound like a mid-muffler delete or no? I think it do, but I'm not sure. I don't know. God damn. Yeah, y'all. Hey, I ain't gonna hold y'all. This bit do sound like a mid-muffler delete on me. So yeah, let's get this thing pulled up into the garage, man. So yeah. Alright, CEEFAM, so finally got the car, man, in the garage, outside the garage, whatever y'all want to call it. So this right here, man, is our Wicker build, bro. We got our Wicker build. It's like my second time ordering my Wicker build from this company. They're called ZL1 Addons. They got stuff for Mustangs, Camaros, Dodges, Chargers, Challengers, all that, right? So like I said, man, this right here is the Wicker build, y'all. It came, shoot, freshly packaged, bro. It looked like this thing was freshly cut, you know what I mean? This is the stealth Wicker build too, man. So you have to have a certain type of spoiler in order to install this Wicker build, but they have them for RTs, scat packs, wide bodies, whatever you got, they got it, bro. So shout out ZL1 Add-ons, man. I think I paid like 140, 160 for this. It came in like 2 days. So yeah, this right here, man, is the riv nuts, I guess, right? You call these right here the riv nuts or rivets, whatever. You got the washers, and then you also got your screws, right? So it comes with all the hardware. You can also get upgraded hardware as well, but I just got the standard stuff, man. I also bought a riv nut or rivet tool or riv nut gun, whatever this right here is called, from them. So as y'all can see, I got one threaded already. You know, this right here should be really useful. So got that, man. Yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. That came in the package. You know, let me just show y'all this boy. Like I said, it's still nice and taped down and all that, man. So ideally, let me show y'all boys how this thing should look. Oh, so ideally, man, this thing should look, put it up, should look something like this. It's hard for y'all to see, but whatever, bro. Y'all should get it, man. It's not the first video y'all gonna watch like this. It's not the last video y'all gonna watch either, man. So yeah, the only thing y'all gonna need for this install, to be honest, y'all, is a Sharpie, right, or some kind of pen, some kind of tool to mark your actual holes. You're gonna need a drill, and then so something that's cool about them, they actually put, I believe this is a 9/32 bit. I used to use a 3/8 bit with them, but yeah, this already came with the pack. So yeah, No need for a pilot hole and all that. I usually do a 1/8 pilot hole first, and then I go in with this or with the 3/8. But yeah, y'all, this is a 9/32 bit, man. Y'all can't see that on there, but it's written on there. So 9/32 bit, a Sharpie, and a drill, bro. And then yeah, that should be it, man. So let's get going, bro. So looking at this right here, y'all, we have 9 holes on this thing. All right, so we want to identify our middle. All right, so as you can see, we got 9 holes. You should have 4 on this side and 4 on this side. So you want to look at your 5th hole, right? 5th hole should be the middle, right? And we already know where the middle is on our charger or challenger, whatever you got, right? Because you also have your backup camera, which identifies the middle. So all you want to do, man, and it's really hard doing this with only one hand. All you really want to do, y'all, is just line it up to the point to where the top of your spoiler is flush with this. So ideally it should look like this right here. You know what I mean? Still leaving room so that your wicker bill doesn't hit your trunk, if that makes sense, right? So you still want to leave that room down here, but you definitely want to have this as high up as possible, man. So yeah, this should be flush with this, if that makes sense. This should definitely be flush, man. So first thing I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna just identify my middle, like I said. So probably come like right here, you know. All right, see fam, so look, man, we finna put our first hole in the charger, bro. First hole, man. This is probably the most nerve-wracking part of this whole install, man. Once you do your first hole, you good after that, bro. But whoever said that it's easy or it's not nerve-wracking to drill into your brand new car, used car, whatever, is your car, right? Nerve-wracking. But yeah, let's go, man. Let's put our first hole in. Once you get after the first hole, you good, bro. So let's get to it, man. Oh. All right, just like that, man. Hey, got the first hole, bro. So yeah, try not to go too far in, bro, because you don't want to put a hole through your spoiler, right? You just want to, you know, pace it nice and slow first, and then, you know, go fast type, you know. Yeah, let me show y'all boys the hole right quick. Let me show y'all boys that bit. Oh, let me show y'all. Where is it? Boom, nice clean hole, y'all. So all right, see fam, so I just want to show y'all, man, how to use the actual rivet gun or the rivet tool, right? So first thing you want to do, man, is thread it all the way on there. So screw it all the way on. Next thing, right, just want to put this all the way in. All right, and don't be afraid to just push, right? So we'll push. So it should be like a perfect fit according to like them. I don't know, should be a perfect fit. It kind of is. So like I said, as y'all can see, it's all the way in there, man. So now that it's all the way in, so yeah, all you want to do, man, is just squeeze. All right, and then just want to put this right here to the right a little bit, and then squeeze again, and then unthread it. All right, just like that, y'all, we have our first rivet in, man. Look at that, nice and center, you know, not too high, not too low. So yeah, man, this thing finna look good though. See fam, we have our center screw in. All right, so this right here is only necessary since I'm doing this by myself. All right, so now I can just run this thing all the way up here, right? Like I said, make sure that this is even with the top of your spoiler. All right, so yeah, it should be nice and flush like that. So now I can make my hole here, so on and so forth, man. So yeah, once I make all my holes, all right, I'm gonna take this off. Then I'm gonna put obviously my silver rivets in, and then yeah, go from there, man. So by the time y'all see this again, yeah, should have this thing on, not fully on, but all my rivets should be in, and yeah, should be good to go, y'all. So let's get to it, man. All right, so now y'all, I have them all in. 2 of them, bro's a little suspect, I ain't gonna lie. Like the one all the way down there to the end, and this one is all the way down here, bro. It might not look like it on camera, y'all, but man, I wish they had like a tutorial on like how to work this riv nut or this rivet tool thing. This thing right here, bro. Cause like I said, it started off good, man, and then that shit went to shreds after that, bro. But hey, we got it all done, man, for the most part. So now I'm finna grab my my drill, and then yeah, drill the screws in, man. So I'm gonna let y'all know how it look once I'm finished, man. So yeah, let's get it.
Later.
Just like that, CEEFAM, we finished with the install, started the car. Me and the family about to head into town, Barstow area, about to go to Walmart, you hear me? But hey, let me show y'all the car before we head out, bro. Already started it, it's super loud. Check it out, man. And just like that, this thing looks so much better, bro. So the back of the car is almost done, to be honest, you know? Yeah, this boy look way better, bro, for sure. I should have got the carbon fiber one, y'all, to be honest, but it's okay, you know. Damn, comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all boys think. Alright. Yeah, shout out to me, man. I really used to be considered the do-it-yourself king, man. DIY king, you know. Oh, not USPS. Probably got some more packages, man, coming in the mail. But yeah, y'all, this install really wasn't too hard, you know. It's like my 3rd or 4th time doing this, so everything is nice and flush, nice and tight, you heard me? Nothing too crazy. But yeah, man, shit, let me know exactly, man, what y'all think. Let me know, man, how y'all feel the car look right now, bro. That green go crazy, bro. And I think the green really go crazy because I'm in the Army, so you know, Army green, it's hard, bro. So we already got the carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber stripes, the Wicker build now, man. Like I said, let me know what y'all want to see. I'm gonna bring it to light, man. You know, if I can, I'm gonna definitely make it happen for y'all boys. So yeah, bro, give y'all one last little walk around the car. I definitely think the car got a mid-muffler delete, I swear. Like, I really think it do, bro. Man, this boy nice, bro. This boy is nice, you hear me? Ooh, woo. Yeah. Yeah, this boy different, man. I like this way better than my red eye, I promise you. But yeah, CEEFAM, look, I appreciate everybody out there, man, who been helping me out, man, who been supporting me, man, staying loyal to the channel, bro. I appreciate y'all boys for stopping in. The sun in my eye. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm finna head into town with the family. So hey, appreciate y'all boys for stopping in. I'll holla at y'all boys next time, man.